Hey everybody, Ashley Garner here with ABG Multifamily. So when the real estate market slows down, most people see risk, but professional investors often see opportunity. Today, commercial lenders are still underwriting conservatively, and many buyers are finding it more difficult to make deals work with today's cost of capital, meaning the cost of borrowing money or raising investments. As a result, transaction volume has slowed down compared to the ultra-competitive market we experienced a few years ago. And when there are fewer buyers competing for quality assets, negotiations change. Sellers become more realistic. Buyers often have more leverage to negotiate pricing, financing terms, repair credits, or even assumption of existing debt. When I look back at my own portfolio of properties, with the benefit of hindsight, that is, some of my most profitable investments were made when the market was at a low point. At the time, I didn't buy the assets hoping the rent would increase or hoping the expenses would go down or the values would go up. No, I bought them based on the market conditions at the time and on the performance of the assets at the time. Sure, I made improvements to the condition and to the management, but those are things I can control. I can't control the market and I can't control the economy. At ABG, we're not trying to predict exactly where interest rates or the 10-year treasury will be 6 months from now. We're looking for properties with strong fundamentals today in growing markets with stable employment and a strong rental demand, and with opportunities to increase net operating income through better operations. That's where the value is created. History has shown that some of the best investments are made when uncertainty causes others to sit on the sidelines. The key is having the discipline to buy the properties that make sense using today's financing, not tomorrow's assumptions. My takeaway this week is simple. Don't confuse a slower transaction market with a weak investment market. Sometimes fewer competitors create the very opportunities that long-term investors have been waiting for. I'm Ashley Garner with ABG Multifamily. We make real estate easy for you. Have a great week.